It's strange the things that pop into your mind. It's just after Christmas, and I'm recovering from probably my third worst ever hangover. But I remember Christmas about, must have been 12 or 13 years ago, maybe longer. It was 10:30 in the morning, and I picked up the phone in my house in Somerset, and there was a familiar voice at the other end, and the voice said, "Hello, it's me, David." And I said, "I know it's you, David." And it was David Ogilvy, 10:30 in the morning on Christmas Day. Why was he ringing me? He said to me, "Drayton, what's wrong with Ogilvy and Mather?" And I said, "I'll give it some thought, David." And he said, "Good." I said, "I'll write you an email tomorrow." So he said, "Good." And then he said, "By the way, Merry Christmas." Now there was a man who was seriously interested in working. And I spent the next day, I always remember it, I was very lucky because I'd actually had to write a report for Martin Sorrell, who had bought the Ogilvy Group, on a linked subject. So essentially I spent Boxing Day cannibalising the report I'd written for Martin Sorrell to send to David Ogilvy on what was wrong with Ogilvy and Mather. And a Merry Christmas to you too.